Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea with leaves. First, select your favorite loose leaf tea. The type of tea you choose will greatly influence the final taste. Next, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of tea leaves for every 8 ounces of water you plan to use. Finally, heat fresh, filtered water to the correct temperature, which varies depending on whether you're making green, black, or herbal tea. Once your water is ready, place the measured tea leaves into a tea infuser or directly into your teapot. Then, carefully pour the hot water over the leaves, ensuring they are fully submerged to allow for proper extraction. Now, let the tea steep for 2 to 5 minutes. Adjust this time based on how strong you like your tea and the specific type you are brewing. After steeping, carefully remove the tea leaves or infuser from your brewed tea. This prevents over-extraction and bitterness. Next, pour the fragrant, freshly prepared tea into your favorite mug or cup. Now is the time to customize your drink. Add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon to taste, if you prefer. Enjoy the warmth and aroma. For the best possible tea experience, always use filtered water. It truly makes a difference in flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tea types, from delicate white teas to robust black teas, to discover new favorites. Remember, the perfect cup is the one you enjoy most. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.